Good evening, candidates. November 2020 Micah One-Liners Part 2. Recently, which state government launched Mahila Evam Kishori Samman Yojana and Mukhya Mantri Doodh Upahar Yojana for girls and women, Haryana? Recently, India's homegrown e-commerce marketplace Flipkart has signed an MOU with One District, One Product scheme with which state government Uttar Pradesh. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Central Sector Scheme of Financing Facility under the Agriculture Infrastructure Fund worth 1 lakh crore. How much was the amount that was transferred to farmers under the PM Kisan as the sixth installment? 17,000 crore. Which state government has announced the launch of Indira Van Mitan Yojana to support forest dwellers? Chhattisgarh. Who inaugurated Rashtriya Swachhata Kendra as an interactive experience center on the Swachh Bharat mission? Narendra Modi. Which state government has decided to launch Orunodoi scheme to financially empower women? Assam. Which state government has launched Karma Sati Prakalpa scheme to provide soft loans and subsidies to youth? West Bengal. Recently, which company launched Anywhere School initiative to boost online education? Google. Which state government has launched a Namat Bazai program to teach tribal children in their mother tongue? Recently, Kerala. In a bid to bring the pandemic hit city economy on the track, Delhi government has started an amnesty scheme for late payment dues on rent lease. Recently, which airport has developed Air Suvidha portal for all international arriving passengers across India? Delhi Airport. Ministry of Railways inaugurated dedicated museum for railways, Hubballi, Karnataka. Boston Group signed MOU with Andhra Pradesh government to set up an IT company, Visakhapatnam. Which city has become the first city in India to have women symbols on traffic signage? Mumbai. Who has been selected by the Public Enterprises Selection Board? Next chairman of Steel Authority of India Limited, Soma Mondal. Which state has signed MOU with the National Skill Development Corporation for setting up a world-class skill development institute? Goa. Delhi government with Tata Projects Limited and which IIT signed MOU for smog tower? IIT Bombay. Union Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizers D.V. Sadananda Gowda announced establishment of price monitoring and resource unit which state? Recently, Karnataka. Recently, the Moira bananas, Harmal chilies and Kaje of which state got GI tag? The answer is Goa. Recently, India's longest river ropeway was inaugurated in Assam, which connects Guwahati and North Guwahati. It is built over which river? Brahmaputra. The India Pavilion at the Army 2020 International Military and Technical Forum was inaugurated by the Secretary Rajkumar and Indian Ambassador D.B. Venkatesh Verma in which city? Moscow, Russia. The central government has formulated National Council for Transgender Persons recently. Who is the present chairperson of the council? D.V. Sadananda Gowda. Recently, first ever state Dragonfly Festival was celebrated in which state? Kerala. Baggage sanitation and wrapping machine has been launched by which railway station? Recently, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Recently, Managing Director, Chief Executive Officer of Indian Energy Exchange, Rajiv Srivastava, has resigned from the post. Where is the headquarters of Indian Energy Exchange? New Delhi. Recently, Department of Defense Ministry of Defense has signed a tripartite MOU with the Department of Administrative Reforms and Public Grievances, at which IIT Kanpur recently the Tenazol Golf Resort project virtually inaugurated by which Union Minister Mizoram Prahalad Singh Patel. Tenzol Golf Resort, Mizoram, Prahalad Singh Patel. Railways of which country has launched overhead equipment inspection app for real-time monitoring recently. India. Which state has become the first state to partner with Google India to provide learning tools for schools? Maharashtra. How much amount was contributed by India to the India UN Development Partnership Fund? US dollar 15.50 million. Recently, which country became the first Arab country to open a nuclear power plant? United Arab Emirates. Recently, which company has announced a multi-year strategic collaboration agreement with Amazon Web Services? Bharati Airtel Limited. India will not take part in the multilateral military Russian Caucasus 2020 strategic command post exercise to be held in which city? Astrakhan, Russia. Recently, which country has declared a state of environmental emergency? Mauritius. Which country has decided to construct a monument for the Indian soldiers who were killed by Pakistan 71? Bangladesh. Recently, Forbes magazine has released the highest paid actors of 2020 list, who has become the only Indian star to be listed among the top 10 world's highest paid actors of 2020. The answer is Akshay Kumar. So I will stop with this for part 2, then I will continue with